Take a ride in the 2024 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.